Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately with essentials. Make sure you have administrator rights and copy the current DNS entries so you can revert if needed. Once done, pick your target DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 and write both primary and secondary. Then open your network adapter settings, Ethernet or Wi-Fi, so you can edit TCP/IP4 or IP6. You need to act now. Changing settings without admin access or backups wastes time and complicates recovery. You now perform the detailed edits. In Windows, open Adapter Properties, select Internet Protocol version 4, use the following DNS server addresses, and enter primary and secondary values. On Mac OS, go to Network, Advanced DNS, and add the addresses, then apply. Once saved, flush the resolver cache, ipconfig/flushdns on Windows, sudo dscacheutil flushcache on Mac OS, so the change takes effect immediately. This removes stale records and forces lookups to the new servers. You finish by verifying the change. Run nslookup against a known domain and try browsing to ensure correct resolution and improved speed. If you manage multiple devices, set the DNS at the router so DHCP hands out the new servers, but make sure client settings don't override it. If name resolution fails or pages break, immediately revert to your recorded backup DNS addresses and flush the cache again. That single troubleshooting step resolves most misconfiguration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.